Hello everybody, we're going to talk about SSH. This is ISA 4220. My name is Jake Baum, and this will be your final presentation. Okay, so SSH. It's a secure shell. It provides strong authentication and secure encrypted data communications between two computers connecting over a secure network. It was originally designed in 1995. Uses port 22. And has secure access through Secure Shell. It is a client service model, allows remote access over a secure network. It has a TCP IP handshake to connect with other computers, which I'm about to explain how that works. Uses the Diffie-Hellman handshake key exchange, which is stronger and more secure than previous versions of this. So how the handshake works with SSH: the client sends the SSH over to the server. The TCP IP handshake then becomes initiated. The key exchange is then sent back and transmitted back in the packets. Then the secure setup is started. Once that's started, clients then can start a remote connection to the system. Okay, so OpenSSH. It's a secure remote transfer of data. It's open source. It uses encryption. Uses transmitted passwords that are encrypted and not secure. The authentication method for this is plain password, public key, and Kerberos. So for hardening OpenSSH, I had a firewall on port 22. This is extremely important. Mention that you want to do public key authentication. Enable warning banner, and then OpenSSH server. Limit user access, and then it's host-based authentication. Strong passwords. You also want to have strong passwords that are complex and use a variety of characters. And then you want to use protocol version 2, and then disable the login. So you want to make sure that you're making sure your system's encrypted. You're using the right ports. You have the right notifications. In your warning banner, and then you want to make sure you're not using your mom's birthday or your birth date or your marriage or something else, or your wife's name or anything. You want to make sure you have a strong complex password with the various characters such as quotation marks, exclamation marks, periods, stars, asterisks. Whatever you can to try to change the wording, the structure of your password to make it more secure. And that becomes our video of the SSH brief video. I hope you have a great week.